The City of St. Albert is expanding styrofoam recycling at the Mike Mitchell Recycling Depot. You can continue bringing large white packaging blocks, but also new items that are labeled with number 4, 5, or 6, like meat trays, colored styrofoam, and electronic foam padding. Any styrofoam soiled with food residue, along with packing peanuts, takeout containers, plates, or cups are unacceptable. Number 7 items are also not accepted, which includes memory, spray, or liquid foam. The easiest way to tell the difference is to look at the number on your items. If the item does not have a number, you can go by how the material feels. Number 5 expanded polypropylene and number 6 expanded polystyrene are sorted together and include hard foam products like packing blocks, while number 4 expanded polyethylene items are softer or more flexible. Sorting posters are located at the bins on site and staff are here to help. You can also take a photo of your item and email it to wastewise@stalbert.ca or download the Be Wastewise app. Make sure to separate your styrofoam using the labeled bins. Styrofoam can only be accepted at the depot and not in blue recycling bags, as it easily breaks in the transportation process and can contaminate other materials. After you drop off your styrofoam, it's broken down on site and densified into large blocks. The blocks are sent to facilities where they are broken down into beads of plastic and incorporated into objects like baseboards, airplane tabletops, and even picture frames. To learn more about what's recyclable in St. Albert, visit stalbert.ca/waste today.